Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so we just talked about parallel structure, and parallel structure was when we were making sure that the parts of our sentences matched, right? Now, what we're talking about is making sure nouns and pronouns match. So pronoun antecedent, but you don't really need to know pronoun and antecedent. All you need to know is that the pronoun you're using needs to match the noun that comes before it. So just as a refresher, pronouns are he, she, it, they, them, their, my, our. I could keep going on. There's a ton of them. But if you're using a pronoun, what you need to make sure is that you know what that pronoun is referencing. So when you see 4 answer choices and all of the answer choices are pronouns, what you want to do is look back in the text, and it might require reading a sentence beforehand, but you want to look back in the text and figure out what that pronoun is supposed to be referring to, and then choose the correct pronoun based on that. So if it's the woman, then you would choose she. If it was the children, then you would choose they. Make sense? All right, let's try it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.